Good morning, class. Welcome to your arts class, me, your favorite class. How are you all and how is everything? Well, I am happy that you are happy too. Today we are going to do leaf painting. Well, from this, you should be thinking that you are going to draw the leaf or something. Well, we are also going to do that because it will be a initiative for us that if we are going to draw the leaf and uh, then we are going to paint it. Leaf painting is basically about painting original leaves. I will show you, but on the other hand, we have to draw the original leaf. Okay, original leaf, original leaf, and also the draw leaf. Let me show you the video. Then you will come to know that we are gonna do what. Here is the leaf painting. You watch the video? I forget my scissor.
Next, paint and draw a leaf. That's how you draw a leaf. Let's paint and draw a leaf. That's how you draw a leaf. That's a maple leaf. It's very unique in its shape. And this is another leaf. This is the normal leaf. This is how you draw it and then paint it mostly with green.
So this is about
Let's paint a leaf.
let's paint a leaf. Okay. This was about your drawing a leaf. Now I am going to draw the leaf on a page of a paper. I am going to recycle the paper. Okay. I'm going to show you how I am going to draw the leaf. Oh, I'm sorry. I am going to draw the leaf like this. See? Now I am going to cut it with the scissor. This is a proper shape of a leaf. Now children, actually the thing is what we are going to do is, this is the leaf I have drawn. I have another leaf from the branch of a tree or a plant, and I have one more leaf. Actually, I got many kinds of leaves in the morning, but now as the time has been passed, so they got dead, like little bit dead. Our main activity is to color these, to paint these leaves actually. Okay, for these we need the leaves, these leaves. Okay, I am going to take out the poster colors. First of all, we are going to do the blue color. Let us, I wish that this brush could work. I am taking the paint and I am painting this leaf. See, I am coloring this leaf with my paint and brush. I am going to add some more color so it could leave its print well. This is the leaf. I am going to paste it on a clean sheet of a paper or a chart paper. Look at this. I have drawn a leaf here. Even I can fill it with my own brush because my basic purpose is to give it a look. Now I am going to do the second color, and that could be, okay, black color. We never use black color. Today we are going to use black color. I took the black color. I am going to paint this now. Due to the wind everywhere, and as it is spring season, but I was unable to get some good leaves. These all I have managed to. This is the drawn. Now I am going to paste it on this side again. Wow! And other painting. I can fill it with my own technique. This is the other form of a leaf. Okay. Now we are going to, oh my God, where is that leaf gone? Which we have drew. I have the third one also. That is wonderful. Okay, I have the third one. We are going to take the third color. We will use yellow color. Okay, for instance, we are going to use yellow color. I took this yellow color. I am coloring the leaf yellow. This leaf has no life actually, but I will try. I am going to paste it here. And this is the best one. I got a wonderful result of this leaf. Okay, now I am going to, these are the leaves we are done with now. I don't know where is the leaf gone, which I have drawn. So what we are going to do, we are going to draw the leaf straight away over here, the way we have seen in the video. And this leaf we are going to color green, okay? Oh my God, I have told the right color. Green color we will do with it. You are, I think so. Try not to take it out of the lines. I am doing my best. And this is a leaf. So children, we are done with 4 kinds of leaves, meaning 4 kinds, different kinds. They are basically the drawing on. And this is the result, leaf painting. We have painted the different leaves and then we made their sketches. And in a result, we got this. Okay, you can have many kinds of leaves around you. You can find them. I was unable to. These were the only leaves I had. So I have tried my best to show you the best. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Try this activity at home and enjoy it. Okay? Take care of you, my kids. See, I was having the same kind of leaves. See? Take care. Bye bye.